Okay na, pagod. Spaghetti may sauce. Spaghetti may sauce.
Okay, Maria. What you doing, sweetie girl?
I'm going to make a house today.
You gonna make a house?
Yes, sir. But first, I need to put the toys in the walls.
You gotta clean up the toys?
Yes, sir.
You wanna get brother to help you clean up the toys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you have a good time shopping today?
Yes, sir. And I have a new hairband and a headband.
And a headband?
Yes, sir. And a Ben.
Alright, what you gonna do now?
I'm going to put the toys here today, Daddy. Down in my heart. Down in my heart, you say.
Sing us a song.
I'm shy.
You're not shy, sing us a song.
No, I'm really shy. Really.
No, well, you can sing.
I'm shy from the camera.
You wanna do the Do Re Mi song?
No, sir. I'm shy. I'll just. Down in my heart. Down in my heart. Down in my heart. Down in my heart, you say.
What you gonna do?
I'm making a house with blankets and pillows and teddy bear.
Oh, that's why you cleaned up the toys so you can make a house?
Yes, sir.
Okay, get to work. Good job, son.
I'm so very happy.
Nasaan na iyo ang hubo-hubo?
Ate. Ate. Hold this at the hat and give it to Forrest.